Let's explore the top 5 design system tools available today. We'll be covering platforms designed to help you create and maintain effective and scalable design systems. Number 1 on our list is Figma. Figma is a collaborative design platform that offers comprehensive design system capabilities. Key features include component libraries and variants, allowing you to create reusable elements with different states. It also offers real-time collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together on design system components. Figma provides design tokens integration, ensuring consistency across your designs, and developer handoff tools to streamline the implementation process. The second tool we will discuss is Storybook. Storybook is a component development environment specifically for building user interface components in isolation. This makes it easier to develop, test, and document components. Key features of Storybook include component documentation, providing a clear and organized way to showcase your components. Interactive testing, allowing you to interact with components in a controlled environment. Storybook also has a rich add-ons ecosystem. Additionally, it supports visual regression testing, helping you catch visual bugs early in the development process. Our number 3 tool is Sketch. Sketch is a vector-based design tool known for its robust symbol and library management features. These features are essential for creating and maintaining a design system. Key features include symbol libraries for creating reusable design elements, shared libraries which let you share symbols across different projects, style guides which help ensure visual consistency. Sketch also provides a plugin ecosystem, extending its capabilities with various third-party tools. Next up is Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a comprehensive user experience design platform that includes several design system features. Key features of Adobe XD are component states, which allow you to design interactive components with different visual states. Creative Cloud libraries for seamless asset sharing across Adobe products. Prototyping integration, enabling you to create interactive prototypes directly within the design tool. And voice prototypes that allows to design voice-controlled user interfaces. Our fifth design system tool is Zeroheight. Zeroheight is a dedicated design system documentation platform that specializes in creating living style guides. Key features include live documentation, ensuring that your documentation stays up to date with your design system. Code integration, which allows you to embed code snippets directly into your documentation. Version control, making it easy to track changes and revert to previous versions. And team collaboration, enabling multiple people to contribute to the documentation. Let's take a look at a quick comparison of the tools. Figma is a design platform and is best for collaborative design. Storybook is focused on the development side and is best for component testing. Sketch is a design platform tailored for Mac workflows. Adobe XD is a user experience platform excelling at prototyping. Finally, Zeroheight is a documentation tool and is the best choice when you need solid documentation. In conclusion, keep in mind that each tool serves different needs within the design system ecosystem. The success of your design system depends on understanding your team's requirements, workflow preferences, and integration capabilities. So make your choice accordingly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.